Hi, it's that time of the year. People have their trips coming up. I myself have one scheduled, and I am so excited to share some of my personal travel essentials that I'm taking with me, and hopefully it will be helpful for your trip as well. The number one thing I'm super excited about is this on-the-fly travel facial kit. So this includes two hydrate sheet masks for your face. You know, your skin could get a little bit dehydrated when you're up in the air. It also has rejuvenating eye gels. It has a restoring night eye gels set, which will be great for nighttime, and even a hydrating lip gel. So these are all included in this cute little packaging. And then we obviously have to take care of our hair while we're on vacation, and I'm not the biggest fan of the hotel shampoo and conditioners. Some are great, but I do have to bring my Kérastase Blonde Absolu little shampoo. It's adorable, and it's again also hydrating. It's great for a lightened hair like mine is. I'm also bringing the CICAFLASH, which is the intense treatment conditioner. This is a rinse out. This is coming with me as well. And of course we need our masks for some extra hydration, especially if you're in the pool or at the beach in the sun. So this is like an intense conditioning mask, and it's small enough to bring with me on the plane. It's called the Cicaextreme from Absolu. I also am excited about this new product that we carry at Lanphier. It's the Wow Dream Coat, and this is an anti-frizz and anti-humidity treatment, and you put this in your hair while it's wet. So towel dried wet hair. I'll definitely gonna bring this with me to the beach as well, and make sure to reapply it for extra protection and anti-humidity. And the packaging is so cute, looks like a little mirror. And then obviously we can't go on vacation where it's warm and extra sunny without our SPF. The Caudalíe SPF 50 is really nice. It's small enough to bring on the plane, and the packaging is super cute. This is great for someone with sensitive skin like myself, and it's the mineral formula. It's fragrance free, so the smell won't bother you. It's 100% silicone free. It's all the good things you can find in the SPF. And I hope this was helpful, and enjoy your trip.